Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon,
Let us
sir.
start. Yesterday we have seen Jacobian for two variable and Jacobian for three variable. This is the application of partial derivative. Suppose Jacobian for two variables, suppose uv is a function of xy. Then we are calculate dou uv by dou xy is equal to dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y. Okay. So in this way, we calculate the Jacobian for two variable. And similarly for three variable, we calculate the Jacobian. Yesterday we have seen and yesterday we have seen some example on the Jacobian. I think 3 example you have solved and 3 example for your homework. So or 4 example for homework. Tell me one by one what is the answer of that 4 example. What is the which one is the first example? Yes. What is the example of that example? So what is the answer of that example?
Code number, sir.
Yes.
2 by 1 minus 1.
Hello.
You are there.
Okay. Yes, Saurabh, Krishna.
For example number 3, answer is u square v.
Okay, just wait. Example number 3, no, example number 4. Example number 4, what is the answer?
0, sir.
Minus 2
Zero.
by 1 minus xy bracket square.
0, sir.
Just wait.
Zero. Zero.
Sir, 0.
Zero.
Just wait, just wait, just wait. Just wait. All of you see the screen? Regal display kare?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So what is the answer of this one? Fourth one?
0.
Zero.
Fourth one is 0. What is the answer of fifth one?
0.
Is the one 0? U is equal to x plus y. Plus y.
Minus.
Yes, what is the answer?
The one is also 0.
Huh?
0.
0 देते?
0.
Okay. काय झालं बाबा? Okay. त्याचं पण 0च. Fifth one.
Yes, sir. 0.
Sixth one. X plus y. V plus V is equal to x divided by x plus y.
Minus 1 upon x. 1 upon x. Minus 1 upon x.
X minus y divided by x plus y bracket square. बरोबर आहे का? Hello.
Minus x minus y.
Minus x minus y दोन्ही मायनस येते का?
Yes, sir.
दोन्ही मायनस होतात दोन्ही मायनस. Okay, okay. And then next u is equal to 3x plus 2y minus z, v is equal to x minus 2y plus z, w is equal to x times x plus y. So del by uv w upon del by x y z. Answer is 0. Answer is 0. Hello.
Minus 0.
Hello.
So
Answer 0
zero.
देगा?
0. 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, very good. So 3 examples answer 0. 3 examples answer 0. आणि बाकीच्यांचं okay, that is your answer. Okay? So we just now start next part. Next part we are start Okay. So write on the next part. Jacobians or Jacobians of composite function. Jacobians of composite function. Okay. So if UVR function of RS and RS are function of XY, then UV is composite function of पाहता UV कशाचं फंक्शन आहे RS RS कशाचं फंक्शन आहे RS कशाचं फंक्शन आहे यस
XY.
XY मग हा तुमचं UV कॉम्पोजिट फंक्शन कशाचं होईल UV is a composite function of XY. UV is a composite function of XY. UV is a composite function of XY. Okay. So we got the term. We got the term. Now we calculate. आता जायचं कसं आहे UV to XY calculate करायचं असेल काय calculate करायचंय dou UV upon dou XY. So what is the path? What is the path? UV to RS and RS to XY means like this dou UV upon dou RS into dou RS divided by dou XY. Clear? This is a Jacobian for two variable. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Now similarly, suppose UVW is a function of XYZ and XYZ is a function of RST. Now we calculate जायचं कसं आता dou UVW divided by dou RST. So dou UVW upon dou RST is what? Dou UVW upon dou XYZ into dou XYZ upon dou RST. Okay, for two variable and for three variable. So we see the first point 5.1. What is the first point in 5.1? 5.1 मतलब पहला point क्या होता है? Yes. पहला point पर क्या होता है?
Jacobian properties of Jacobian.
Jacobian property of Jacobian and a Jacobian of composite function. In that Jacobian basic example already we have covered. Jacobian of composite function we have see here. So what is the remaining? What is the remaining?
Properties of Jacobian.
Properties of Jacobian. So you see that the concept is properties of Jacobian. Okay. Properties of Jacobian. Properties of Jacobian म्हणजे त्याला काय म्हटलं मी that is J into J dash is equal to 1. म्हणजे जर UV is a function of XY असेल. So what is that? Dou UV divided by dou XY we calculate. Similarly, we calculate exactly opposite term dou XY upon dou UV. So this is into is equal to 1. या दोघांचा प्रोडक्ट काय असतो 1. That is dou V upon dou XY ला जर मी J म्हटलं तर पुढचा काय होणार हा काय होणार जे डॅश इज इक्वल टू 1 म्हणजे जे इज इक्वल टू काय डो यू व्ही अपॉन डो एक्स वाय and z dash is equal to what dou xy upon dou uv. Okay, we calculate it. आता क्लिअर आपल्याला या दोन टाइपचे एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व्ह करायचे पहिल्यामध्ये आपण एक्झाम्पल वी सी an example on Jacobian composite function and then next part we see the example on j into j dash is equal to 1. Okay. झालंय हॅलो
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
ओके
एक
पुढे
minute,
एक्झाम्पल कडे जायचं
एक minute.
ओके झालंय का पुढे जायचंय का येस सर नो अरे पुढे जायचंय का
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes,
हा,
sir.
मग सांगा ना कधी ते सांगा सो वी राईट ऑन द एक्झाम्पल फर्स्ट example if u is equal to 2xy and v is equal to x square minus y square where x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta then find dou uv upon dou r theta. Then find dou uv upon dou r theta. Then find dou uv upon dou r theta. Yes, this is the first example. See here. See here, everyone. UV is a function of what? XY, and XY is function of what? R theta. ह्याच्यावर आपण काय म्हणू शकतो? काय म्हणू शकतो? UVR composite function of r theta. What are asked to find? We ask dou UV upon dou r theta. What is the process? What is the map to go to the dou UV upon dou r theta is what? Dou UV upon dou XY into dou XY upon dou r theta. So first of all, we make a formula. आता हे पुढे काय फक्त हा जेकोबियन काढायचा आपण फक्त काय करतो सेपरेटली काढायच्या ठिकाणी मल्टिप्लाय फॉर्म मध्ये काढायचं. व्हॉट इज द फर्स्ट dou UV upon dou XY. So what is that? Is UX, UY, VX, VY. So U is equal to 2XY. So take the derivative U with respect to X is U with respect to X is 2Y. U with respect to Y is 2X. V is equal to X square minus Y square. So U with respect to X is 2X. U with respect to Y is minus 2Y. Just we have put the value. Dou UV upon dou XY. So to get the answer, 2Y, 2X, 2X minus 2Y. So to get the answer, minus 4 times X square plus Y square. Clear? Minus 4 times X square plus Y square. अलग लक्षात? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And now here we express X in terms of R cos theta and Y in terms of R sin theta. At that time, here we are substitute X square plus Y square equal to R square because X and Y is expressed in terms of R and theta. So what is your net job? What is your net job? Dou XY upon dou R theta. We directly put that. कॅल्क्युलेशन चांगले असतील तर डायरेक्टली कॅल्क्युलेट केलं तरी चालतं. हे फॉर्म्युला लिहायची गरज नाहीये. वाय आर वाय थिटा. सो व्हॉट इज द फॉर्म, व्हॉट इज एक्स आर? डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ एक्स विथ रिस्पेक्ट. जर तुमचे कॅल्क्युलेशन चांगले असतील तर डायरेक्ट लिहा, नसतील तर गो टू स्टेप बाय स्टेप. व्हॉट इज द डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ एक्स विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू आर? डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ एक्स विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू आर
Cos theta.
cos theta. Derivative of x with respect to theta minus r sin theta. Then y with respect to r. Y with respect to r
Sin theta.
sin theta. And here r cos theta. Just simplify, we got r cos square theta plus r sin square theta. We just got the answer r. So we got the dou xy upon dou r theta is equal to what? Sorry. Dou uv upon dou r theta is equal to what? The formula dou uv upon dou xy into dou xy upon dou r theta. Just we put the value. What dou uv upon dou xy minus 4 times x square plus y square into r. But x square plus y square equal to what? R square. By using this result, x and y is equal to this one. By using this result, we got the result. So we minus 4 times r square into r. So to get the answer, minus 4 r cube, that is dou uv upon dou r theta. This is Jacobian of composite function. Clear everyone? Hello, clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write down
Yes,
this
sir.
one. झालं सगळ्यांचं? हॅलो.
Yes, sir.
जाऊ पुढच्या पेजला. हॅलो.
Yes, sir.
ओके
Yes, sir.
ओके ओके. Right on. Next, second example. If x equal to a times u plus v, y is equal to b times u minus v, and u is equal to r square cos theta, and v is equal to r square sin theta, then find. काय कॅल्क्युलेट करायला लावणार आहे तुम्हाला? Then find. Yes. काय
A
कॅल्क्युलेट?
and
हा, काय कॅल्क्युलेट करायला लावणार? यस. अरे काय कॅल्क्युलेट करायला लावणार?
dou xy upon dou r theta.
Dou xy upon dou r theta. Very good. Dou xy upon dou r theta. करू शकतात कॅल्क्युलेट? हॅलो, कॅल्क्युलेट करू शकतात का रे?
yes, sir.
ओके, मला आन्सर सांगा चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये. आय एम वेटिंग फॉर युअर आन्सर. यस एव्हरीवन, आय एम जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर युअर आन्सर. हा, कोण आहे रे? होय, काय म्हणतो? त्यांचे बरं पीसी चालत नाही, काय नेट चालत नाही. हा, चला चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये. आय एम वेटिंग फॉर युअर आन्सर एव्हरीवन. Good, Rohini. Rohini, good. Yes, only one person. ए डिव्हिजनला सकाळी तर कमीत कमी एक हप्ता वेळात 20-25 जणांनी टाकलं होतं. असं म्हणत नाही बरं कॉम्पिटिशन साठी, पण तुम्ही फास्ट टाकलं होतं रे. तुम्ही काय करतात काय माहिती. जेवणानंतरचं लेक्चर आहे ना. नो ऋतुजा इज रॉंग. येस रितेश राईट. ऋतुजा चुकलंय बरं का, ते करेक्ट करा. व्यवस्थित कॅल्क्युलेट करा. फक्त दोघांचं बरोबर आलं आतापर्यंत. बाकीचे काय कोण टाकलंच नाहीये. यस फास्टली. राईट सोनाली. यस. Kenny, what about the either plus or minus? Kenny, the plus or minus? No, Datta, it's wrong, Datta. It's wrong one, Datta. Yes, Saurabh, right. Kenny, what is your answer? Is it plus or minus?
सर माइनस वो
Okay,
गलती से
Right, right, right. Datta, it's wrong one. Rutuja, it's wrong one. What about correct it? Okay. So we take the derivative of x with respect to u. तुम्हाला कॅल्क्युलेट डायरेक्ट करता येत नसेल तर सिम्प्लिफाय करा आधी. त्याला डायरेक्टली यू एक्स विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू काय येणार आहे? डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ एक्स विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू यू. यूचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1, याचा 0, म्हणजे आन्सर काय ए. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ एक्स विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू व्ही ए. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ वाय विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू यू बी. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ वाय विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू व्ही बी. We got that minus AB. So what is the answer? No, Datta, it's wrong one again. Datta, it's wrong one again. What is xy upon wv is equal to minus twice AB. चेक करा तुमचा हा चालाय का. चुकला असेल तर करेक्ट करा. Now w by r. We take the derivative of u with respect to r. We got 2r cos 2 theta. W by theta is 2 r square. Derivative of cos 2 theta is minus sin 2 theta into derivative of 2 theta is 2. Then next 2r sin 2 theta and 2r square cos 2 theta. Just simplify, you got that 4 r cube cos square 2 theta minus minus plus 4 r cube sin square 2 theta. We just common out 4 r cube. We got inside bracket is cos square 2 theta plus sin square 2 theta. So dou uv upon dou r theta is equal to 4 r cube. Or just simplification. Dou xy upon dou r theta is equal to minus 2ab into 4r cube. We got the answer minus 8ab r cube. That is the answer. Yes. ऋतुजा कुठं चुकलंय? ऋतुजा कुठं चुकलंय?
मायनस बी येत होतं मी बी घेतलं.
बर ओके. आणि दत्ता कुठं चुकलं तुमचं दत्ता?
डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेताना चुकलं सर.
व्हेरी गुड. मी तर सांगायला आहे, एक्झाम मध्ये मी सांगायला नाहीये, त्यामुळे केअरफुली सॉल्व्ह करा. झालंय? हॅलो. झालंय का रे? पुढे जाऊ का?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Now you see the two variable example. Now you see one example for three variable. Then we stop for composite. We go to the J into J dash example. Okay, right on the third one. Third one. If x equal to square root of VW, y equal to square root of UV, z equal to y equal to square root of, just wait, y equal to square root of ह्यामध्ये u टर्म नाही म्हणजे काय, सॉरी v टर्म नाही घ्यायचा म्हणजे काय uw, and z equal to या ठिकाणी w टर्म घ्यायची नाही म्हणजे काय uv. ओके, and u is equal to r times sin theta into cos phi. R is equal to sin theta into cos phi. Y equal to r times sin theta into sin phi.
सर वी थिटा.
हा सर वी येते ना.
हाँ yes, V. And W is equal to R cos theta. Then find, yes, anyone. काय करायचं आपल्याला find रे? Yes. Do x, y, z upon do r theta phi. पहिल्यांदा काय एक्स वाय झेड कशाचं फंक्शन आहे? UVW. UVW फंक्शन कशाचं आहे? आर थीटा फाय. कॅल्क्युलेट करणार पहिल्यांदा. काय कॅल्क्युलेट करणार? यस, काय कॅल्क्युलेट करणार? काय कॅल्क्युलेट करणार? सो एक्स वाय झेड is composite function of r theta phi. Okay, so dou of x y z divided by dou r theta phi is equal to dou x y z upon dou u v w into dou u v w upon dou r theta phi. Okay, so we calculate first of all dou x y z upon dou u v w is equal to 3 by 3 determinant xu xv xw. Simultaneously calculate kara yu yv yw. Tell me the answer. Zu zv zw. Chala, I am waiting for your answer. म्हटलं x ला काय ला v raised to 1 by 2 and w raised to 1 by 2. तुम्हाला सोपं जाईल. What is the xu? एक डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढून दाखवतो. What is the xu? xu काय? xu काय? xu काय आहे? 0.
Zero.
xv v चा derivative with respect to that x चा derivative with respect to v 1 by 2 v raised to minus 1 by 2 and w raised to 1 by 2. This is the constant we can take outside. So xw 1 by 2 v raised to 1 by 2 is outside, w raised to 1 by 2 the derivative of 1 by 2 w raised to minus 1 by 2. Okay, we got the x derivative. Similarly what derivative of y equal to, yes, u raised to 1 by 2 w raised to 1 by 2. So yu yv yw. Okay, so yu 1 by 2 u raised to minus 1 by 2 w raised to 1 by 2. Similarly calculate z equal to u raised to 1 by 2 v raised to 1 by 2. So zu zv and zw. So what is zw is 0 because there is no term of w, so we can write on 0. So what is zw? Is 1 by 2 u raised to 1 by 2 w raised to minus 1 by 2. Zu 1 by 2 u raised to minus 1 by 2 v raised to plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 u raised to plus 1 by 2 v raised to minus 1 by 2. Okay, so just we calculate dou xyz upon dou u v w is equal to what derivative you got? Just say the 3 by 3 determinant. What is the derivative? Is xu 0 1 by 2 v raised to minus 1 by 2 w raised to 1 by 2. Then 1 by 2 v raised to plus 1 by 2 w raised to minus 1 by 2. Now just we got the answer. Yu 1 by 2 u raised to minus 1 by 2 w raised to 1 by 2. Zu 1 by 2 u raised to minus 1 by 2 v raised to 1 by 2. Here is 0, here is 0. 1 by 2 u raised to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 u raised to 1 by 2 v raised to minus 1 by 2. So what is the answer? Calculate. What is the answer? Tell me. The first term is 0. There is no need to take the first term. Na? Second term minus Second term, one by two into minus 1/4 and plus 1/2 into 1/4. We got that 1/8 plus 1/8. So the answer we got 1/4. Check it. Check it. कॅल्क्युलेटर ओन स्वतः सॉल्व करा तरच आन्सर येईल, नाही तर काय नाही. आताशी डबा XYZ अपॉन डबा UVW झाला. I will similarly calculate डबा UVW upon डबा R theta phi. ओके, जस्ट कॅल्क्युलेट ओन, नाहीतर मी आपलं काय सॉल्व करून उपयोग नाहीये. देन नेक्स्ट U is equal to R sin theta into cos phi. V is equal to R sin theta into sin phi, and W is equal to R cos theta. We calculate dou UVW upon dou R theta phi. So directly we calculate first of all U with respect to R. What is U with respect to R? Sin theta cos phi. Then calculate U with respect to theta. U with respect to theta, R cos theta cos phi. And U with respect to phi, minus R sin theta sin phi. Then next V with respect to R. What is V with respect to R? V with respect to R is with respect to R is sin theta, sorry, sin phi. With respect to theta, R cos theta sin phi. With respect to phi, R sin theta cos phi. W with respect to R cos theta. W with respect to theta minus R sin theta, and W with respect to phi 0. Okay, just we find a determinant. Determinant we got that R square sin theta. Calculate at home. So we got that the dou XYZ upon dou R theta phi is equal to dou XYZ. There is no need to write down, just we put the value. What is dou XYZ upon dou UVW is 1/4. And what is dou UVW upon dou R theta phi is R square sine theta. So what is total answer? Is r square sine theta divided by 4. We got the answer. Okay. Clear everyone? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just start. Just write down. झालं सगळ्यांचं? पुढच्या पेजला जायचं का? So just take the screenshot. Just take the screenshot of this. So this is the end of Jacobian of composite function. This is the end of Jacobian of composite function. In the next lecture, we will see the example on j into j dash is equal to 1. J into j dash is equal to 1. Okay. झालं सगळ्यांचं?